Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a very simple program inside Python which is typically asked inside interviews and competitive programming, how to get the largest number from a list of numbers. So if you have a bunch of numbers inside this list, something like we have this inside the program 12, 45, 67, 23, 89, 5. So quite a number of ways by which you can do this. I will show the very simplest way using the for loop. So now let me first of all execute this program and show the output how it executes. So as soon as you execute this, it will calculate all the numbers which are present right here, and the output should be 67. As you can see, it is the largest number, so it will result the largest number in the list is 89. Sorry, the largest number is 89. So it basically finds out the largest number and returns it. So now let me show you how it does. For this, let me show you this software which is Python Tutor, which is a very famous tool for explaining programs. So I will show you visualize it step by step. So first of all, we have the bunch of numbers right here in this array list of numbers. So it registered right here. So which zeroth index it is 12, 45, 67, 23, 89, 5. So now I'll be showing you the very easiest way by which we'll be using the for loop, and we will go one by one to each number and do the calculation. For this we will declare a variable which will be holding the maximum number. This variable name can be anything. I'm just calling it maximum number, and I'm initializing it to the first number in the array, which is 12 by default. So we are assuming that first number is the largest number, so we are storing it number 0. So we are accessing the first element in the array, which is 12. So as you can see, maximum number is 12. So now we are simply having this for loop. We are looping through this array. So now inside this array, for loop, we have this if condition that if the number is greater than the maximum number, then we are simply initializing that number to the maximum number. So we are updating it. So now the first number is 12. So 12 is not greater than 12. So this condition will evaluate to false. So this will not be executed. So as you can see, the number is 12. The maximum number is also 12. So this condition will not be executed. We come to the next number, which is 45. So in this case, 45 is greater than 12. So now we will be replacing this 12 number with 45. So this will do. So now we will update this maximum number variable. So as you can see, now it has changed from 12 to 45. Now we will come to the next number in the list, which is 67. So 67 is greater than 45. So this again will update, and once again this number will be replaced. Now 67 will be replaced here, as you can see. Now we'll be coming to the next number, which is 23. So this condition will evaluate to false because 23 is not greater than 67. So we will move to the next number, which is 89. So once again 89 is the largest number. So 89 is greater than 67. So this if condition will evaluate to true. So 67 will be replaced by 89. So you can just see how easy it is. Now you'll come to the next number, which is 5, which is not the largest number. We'll be moving to the next index. So now the for loop will break out, and then we will simply print out the largest number of the list is 89. So this is a very simplest approach, guys. Using the for loop, we require only one variable for this approach, which is maximum number, where you will store the maximum number while looping through the list. We are processing each number in the list and simply comparing that if the number is greater than that If it is greater, then we are replacing it, and after that finding out each processing each element, then we are returning the largest number in the list. So very simple approach, and it actually takes very few steps as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.